Salmon croquettes are one of those timeless recipes you either had as a kid or wish you did. They're crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and perfect for using up that random can of salmon in your pantry. But let's be real, most people avoid making them because they think it's complicated. Spoiler alert, it's not. With just a few pantry staples and about 25 minutes, you're golden. Literally, because the croquettes are fried to a golden, crispy finish. Here's what you'll need. 1 can of salmon, or fresh if you're feeling fancy, breadcrumbs, an egg, diced onion, and a few spices. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon for better flavor. Trust me, it's non-negotiable. Step 1. Drain your salmon and remove the bones if they freak you out. If you're like me and don't mind the soft bones, they're full of calcium, just mash them in. Waste not, want not. In a mixing bowl, combine that salmon with 1 beaten egg, about a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion, and your seasonings, salt, pepper, maybe a pinch of paprika for a smoky kick. Form the mixture into small palm-sized patties. Pro tip, wet your hands slightly before shaping them. It keeps the mixture from sticking to you and makes the process way less messy. Heat up a skillet with enough oil to coat the bottom. Medium heat is perfect, you don't want to scorch them. Fry each patty for around 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they're golden and slightly crispy. If you're trying to stay healthy, bake them instead. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, place the patties on a greased baking sheet and cook for 15 minutes, flipping halfway through. They won't be as crispy, but they still deliver. Common pain point? Keeping the patties from falling apart. Here's how you avoid that. Don't skimp on the egg and breadcrumbs. They're the glue. If the mix feels too loose, add a bit more breadcrumbs until it holds. Serve your croquettes with some tartar sauce, or better yet, mix up a quick yogurt-based dill sauce. And don't underestimate a squeeze of lemon on top. The acidity wakes up the whole dish. These aren't just for dinner either. Leftovers make an incredible breakfast. Add a poached egg on top and some avocado. Suddenly, you're eating like you're at a bougie brunch spot in Portland. Here's the kicker. Salmon croquettes are also budget-friendly. A can of salmon costs what? $3. Combine that with a few things you already have, and you've got a meal for 4 people under $10. Math that tastes good.